Untangling the Mystery, Bare Infinitives in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a particularly interesting topic in the world of English grammar, the bare infinitive. This concept might sound a little complex at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what bare infinitives are and how to use them correctly. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Bare infinitives, as the name suggests, are infinitive forms of verbs without the word to before them. In English, the infinitive form of a verb is usually preceded by to, e.g., to eat, to read, to walk. However, in some cases, we drop the to and use just the verb. This is known as the bare infinitive. So, eat, read, and walk, in their infinitive forms without to, are examples of bare infinitives. Bare infinitives are used in various contexts in English. Let's look at the most common ones. 2.1 After auxiliary verbs. Bare infinitives often come after auxiliary verbs, such as do, did, does, can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, and have. For example, I did make the cake for the party. You should try this new recipe. 2.2 After modal verbs. Modal verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, also use bare infinitives. I can swim. She must leave early. 2.3 Certain verbs. After certain verbs like make, let, hear, see, help, watch, and feel, we use the bare infinitive. I heard her sing. She made him laugh. Remember, English is full of exceptions. Although we mostly use the bare infinitive after auxiliary and certain other verbs, there are a few exceptions where the to infinitive is used instead. This usually happens after verbs like ought, used to, and had better. For example, you ought to call your mom. I used to play soccer. There you have it. Now you know what a bare infinitive is, when to use it, and the exceptions to its usage. It's all about practice from here on out. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel to identify and use bare infinitives. As always, keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!